We're back for day 2. Chose to go with the long sleeve today. As you can see, I am absolutely coated. So you can imagine what it looked like yesterday. All right, we'll start it off with this side. Still got a bunch of debris over here, but the ceiling is making big progress. We are almost all the way done up to here. So this area is what we had done yesterday and a small bit here. We've opened this up a whole bunch and we've opened all of this up a bunch. That's almost done in that corner. We're going around that electrical box and then we just got all of this and then cleanup. And so I'll probably work on over here once I get this done, and I'll have Kyle start over here or back there, doesn't matter, and work on this side. And then the plan, fingers crossed, we're gonna manifest that we're gonna be done today. And if not, we'll have to come back again. But manifest, fingers crossed. If you're watching this, wish us luck that we get it done today. Yeah, tap, tap, tap. This is the first time I'm seeing what I look like. We are masked up today. I'm not trying to inhale any of this shit. I don't know if you can see the haziness of the room, but that's all insulation dust. All right, this whole section up to there and all of that is almost pretty much done. We just got this section, this corner, and then clean up, which is what we're gonna start working on right now, is getting some of this insulation out the way. I feel like Darth Vader. Anyways, we're gonna sweep all this shit up and keep it moving. It's 12 o'clock now, so we've been here 3 hours, I think, or 2.5. So send luck, send love, send prayers. Guaranteed one of the dirtiest jobs we've ever done. But we are making big progress, baby. All right, right now we are just clearing out all the bullshit debris so that we can get back to work and get this knocked out. Looking like a bum, feeling like a bum. Dude, holy shit, am I covered in snot, sweat, dirt? I feel like I just crawled out of a fucking garbage can. All right, so now we got everything almost cleaned up. Gotta finish this whole side and this. So we're gonna finish putting this in trash cans. We don't have to take it out, just so we can have this area clear so I can get over here. And Kyle's gonna be over there. And that's the progress that we're at right now. This is a little tour for where we're working at. So this is gonna be a main dining room. This is going to be a booth area. This is going to be the bar. Where we're working is going to be the east dining room. I can't remember what that's going to be, but there's like a bathroom, janitorial type of area back there. A few random closets and crap. Don't know what this is going to be, probably a table or two. And got a fireplace. Maybe this will be like the food prep area, I'm not sure. And then you have the entire kitchen, of course. The first job we did here was actually removing a shit ton of old commercial equipment from right here. And then out here is where we got to take everything. And that is one full dumpster. Which is the one good thing about this is it's been all labor. So our only cost again is gonna be our time. And we're at 11 and a half hours right now. So that's $1,150. Back to work. Yummy. All right, gang. We got good news and got bad news. We are almost fucking done, but we're not done. So we'll be back tomorrow for a few more hours in the afternoon after we finish the job. But let's see what we got going. So all of this is done except for a small little bit right over here. And then as you can see, the only bit we got left is this corner and then this small little section right there. So probably 30 minutes, 45 minutes actually bringing shit down. And then another hour, hour and a half sweeping everything, taking everything to the dumpster and cleaning up, packing up and heading the fuck out of here. Not including tomorrow's extra job, of course. So let's get the fuck out of here. What a day. Kyle and I have both agreed this is the dirtiest job ever. Look at Kyle. Holy You can't even read the shit on the shirt, dude.
Look at my head.
Dude, where's the logo? That's fucking nuts, dude. I don't look that bad just because I've already changed shirts once. And I've washed myself off a couple times, but trust, we have both been getting slammed with the motherfucking dirt. Yeah! Ooh, we're alive, we made it out. Look at that, Sakai. These are 2-day-old pants when it comes to putting in the work in them. And the U-Haul has been picked up for tomorrow's job. Okay. Look what Kyle just found in the glove box. Ooh, man. U-Haul's parked right fucking there. Long walk home. Not really. We'll catch y'all fuckers tomorrow.